So hello everyone, welcome to Sudo Git Cyber. Welcome. In this new video, we are going to discuss about the awesome project that has been come up by Project Discovery team. I sincerely cannot stop thanking to this particular team for bringing up this awesome project for open source community. So there are a lot of amazing things that they have been developing, some of the amazing tools that they have developed, but I really like this one as well, which is chaos.projectdiscovery.io, wherein you can see that over here they have totaled these many records and they are keep on adding new records. So what are these records? Actually, these records are the subdomain records, which are categorized based on bug bounty programs. This list was updated 18 hours ago, so you can just keep a watch on each program and you can see if there is any updation or any new subdomain is added. You will automatically come to know and you can start hunting before other security researchers. If you see over here, programs of HackerOne mostly are over here with the list of subdomains that have been given over here. These are the book crowd programs, the list of all the book programs. These are the programs with rewards, so especially if some of the hackers they specifically want to hunt for programs which only pays rewards, they can start with here, and these programs do not pay any kinds of rewards. Okay, cool, just let's go back to the all one and let's search for a program which is Tesla. Okay, so once I go on over here you can see a number of subdomains are huge. So if you recall and remember, then we tried to find some of the subdomains from Sublister, where I think we got around 6,000 round subdomains, but over here you can see there are more than 10,806 subdomains, and this data endpoints have been collected from everywhere and they basically keep on collecting from the DNS records as well. So how to see this? Just click on this particular button and it will automatically download a zip file for you. So let's just open that zip file quickly. So let me just open up and you can see tesla.com.txt, and this is the particular zip file, how it looks when unzipped. Let me just zoom this and you can see these are all the subdomains which are being here into this particular file, which are more than 10,000. So my text editor notepad is still loading. I love this particular project, and this is actually very useful and has minimized our work because we had to enumerate many subdomains from many targets, then bring all of them together, run a sort, then run duplicates, then do all this kind of stuff. Yes, but you have to guys manually check if from these subdomains how many are up or not, so you can check that by HTTP probe or any other tool that you like to see which of the subdomains are actually resolving. Okay, so this was it for this video. I hope you guys understood that how you can just get your subdomains from one place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks from Sudo Git Cyber. Learn, practice, secure.